Hello everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Xuda Stainless Steel Company. First, let's visit our stainless steel raw materials. We specialize in the production of stainless steel plates, tubes, rods, and other stainless steel profiles. Behind of me, we can see this is our stainless steel on-coil machine. Combined with our expensive coil inventory, this equipment enables stainless to reduce delivery times, even for special lengths, while providing our customers with improved flatness and quality. And we also can notice these are our finished products. We are going to deliver them to Africa today. Let's take a closer look at them. Next, I'm going to show you our stainless steel slitting production line. The length can be customized according to customers' requirements. Our standing stock is sufficient, the customized production is fast, and the delivery is timely. We also have our own laser cutting equipment.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.